Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a minus b multiplied by a plus b. We have a square minus b square. Because I want to cancel about the square root, that's why we need to apply this formula in here. So this is about a, this is about b. We want to create a square minus b square. So we need to multiply by a plus b. We need to multiply a plus b on numerator and denominator. Similar for this one, we do the same. So this is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And now we simplify. Because we have the power 2 on the square root, so we have s plus 3 minus 2 square. Similar for this one. 1 square minus 3s minus number 2. This is about number 4. Now we open the parentheses and we need to change the sign in here. So we have negative 3s plus 2. This one we have negative number 1. 2 plus 1 is about 3. And now we do factorization of number 3. Next, we put the negative sign in here. That means we have the negative in here. Negative of 1 minus s, we change for s minus 1. Next, we simplify s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. And now we put number 1 in here and here. So we have the final answer. And now we have the final answer. So we have negative number 1 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.